New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.
Which fruit can help alleviate constipation? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Pear. Correct answer, B. Banana. Which fruit is beneficial for improving heart health? A. Orange. B. Avocado. C. Mango. Correct answer, B. Avocado. Which fruit is known for its anti-inflammatory properties? A. Pineapple. B. Grapefruit. C. Kiwi. Correct answer, A. Pineapple. Which fruit can help reduce the risk of developing cancer? A. Blueberries. B. Papaya. C. Peach. Correct answer, A. Blueberries. Which fruit is helpful in managing high blood pressure? A. Watermelon. B. Grape. C. Cherry. Correct answer, A. Watermelon. Which fruit is beneficial for improving digestion? A. Papaya. B. Plum. C. Apricot. Correct answer, A. Papaya. Which fruit can aid in boosting the immune system? A. Strawberry. B. Cranberry. C. Guava. Correct answer, C. Guava. Which fruit is known for its ability to promote healthy skin? A. Kiwi. B. Lemon. C. Peach. Correct answer, A. Kiwi. Which fruit is recommended for improving eyesight? A. Carrot. B. Apricot. C. Grape. Correct answer, B. Apricot. Which fruit is beneficial for reducing cholesterol levels? A. Pomegranate. B. Cherry. C. Raspberry. Correct answer, A. Pomegranate. Which fruit is helpful in relieving symptoms of arthritis? A. Cherry. B. Pineapple. C. Papaya. Correct answer, B. Pineapple. Which fruit is known for its calming effect on the nervous system? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Mango. Correct answer, A. Banana. Which fruit is recommended for improving bone health? A. Orange. B. Fig. C. Plum. Correct answer, B. Fig. Which fruit is beneficial for reducing the risk of kidney stones? A. Lemon. B. Grape. C. Watermelon. Correct answer, A. Lemon. Which fruit is known for its anti-aging properties? A. Acai berry. B. Cranberry. C. Raspberry. Correct answer, A. Acai berry. Which fruit can help alleviate symptoms of asthma? A. Kiwi. B. Papaya. C. Apple. Correct answer, A. Kiwi. Which fruit is recommended for improving memory and cognitive function? A. Blackberry. B. Plum. C. Apricot. Correct answer, A. Blackberry. Which fruit is beneficial for promoting hair growth? A. Strawberry. B. Avocado. C. Grape. Correct answer, B. Avocado. Which fruit is known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels? A. Grapefruit. B. Mango. C. Pear. Correct answer, A. Grapefruit. Which fruit is helpful in reducing the risk of stroke? A. Blueberries. B. Peach. C. Plum. Correct answer, A. Blueberries.